This is going to be the simplest arrangement that anybody can make because basically this is a drinking glass. Any sort of tumbler, juice glass, water glass of any type is a great vessel. And I want to make a mixed arrangement that's very easy to do and show you how to do it. So I'm going to fill it up with water. And I'm going to start by just getting in a couple of peonies. I'm going to keep these low because I want them to be really full. This is the kind of arrangement that's perfect for bedside, a coffee table, a side table, you know, even by 3 of these. Remember, they're going to open up a lot larger. And let's go to the ageratum. So this ageratum has multiple stems, so I can get several cuts out of that. So since this is going to be low, I'm going to have to take off all of these pieces. So you're going to have to spend a little time just cleaning it further. This one here, I can actually get 2 cuts out of. So that's a great piece there. And this is that funny flat one again. So I'll clean it up a little bit. Okay. So let's add some of these. Now, when you're working in a round vase like this, it doesn't matter. It could be as large as this, or it could be a pitcher like this. It could be a, you know, kind of your classic glass cylinder. It's easiest to kind of work your way around the edge. So start around the edge and then work your way into the middle. So I'm just doing exactly that. This is literally 1, 2, 3 with 1, 2, 3. So get the symmetry in there. Then you've got a great start. Then you can go asymmetrical and mess it up a little bit if you want to get more creative and more freeform. But you can see how already this is filling up, and I haven't even added my alchemilla yet. Same thing here. Because this has got a lot of little branchlets, I could get several cuts. So I'm going to do a cut there, and then I'm going to take all these little leaflets off so that it's clean and tuck that in. Kind of fluff it out a little bit. I can get another cut. I'm working on this turntable, but if you have a lazy Susan or anything, that's sometimes nice to work on. You can turn a terracotta pot or something upside down just to elevate it a little bit. You have to remember when you're making arrangements, keep in mind how you're going to be viewing them. So, you know, if you're making them and you're looking down on them, but it's actually going to be more eye level, then you have to take all of this into consideration. If you're putting this on a coffee table, then chances are you're going to look at it more from above. You know, definitely if this is going down a dinner table, it's going to be more of a side view. So let me just go a little further with the ageratum. Now again, even these, I'm going to cut these little niblets off. And I can start going out a little further. Just every once in a while, kind of fluff it up, spread it out. Let's get some freesia in there for fragrance. The idea is never to have anything look too forced. You just want it to look very fresh and effortless. Always giving the flowers space. These more compact arrangements are a lot easier to do, and sometimes they're the most effective way to enjoy flowers. Okay, so that's kind of the gist of it. As always, you know, keep it topped off with water. You can always just kind of keep adding elements. You know, give it a daily groom. You know, check it in the morning, and if your freesia blossoms, some of them are spent, then just gently remove them. But that's kind of the gist for a very basic but very pretty compact arrangement.